those vegan guys. Thank you.
Hi my loves, quick one. You know that I've already done the easy peasy, really easy squeezy hummus recipe video up there, which is the easiest one around. However, if you would like your hummus a little bit more luxurious, this is the method we're going to use today. Okay, so we take our can of chickpeas as we normally would. I am using Sainsbury's chickpeas in water, just in water. Drain off the aquafaba, because for those of us that are doing the oil-free or reduced oil thing, we'll be using that to make the hummus. But some of you I know, I'll put that to the side, some of you I know will prefer to make the hummus with oil, and that's fine. You do you, boo. Water on our chickpeas, and then we're basically going to aggravate these and just kind of give them a little squeeze. And we're going to do that for quite a while. The intent of this, the purpose of this, is to get as many of the skins off as we can. So the easy version, you use the skins, that's fine. This version, because we're going for a bit more luxury, you try and get as many of the skins off as you can. Now, it works much better with cold water, and I had the tap on warm then. There we go. And now I can actually feel them coming off. Just kind of gently squeezing them. As you can see now. Just give that there. Most of the skins will float to the top, and you can just grab them off like this. Some people use them for other things. We're not going to. The purpose of this was to get rid of them for a much smoother and better tasting hummus. I'll get on with that. See you at the blender. There we go. I just wanted to show you I've ended up with that many skins. Still got all my fabulous chickpeas, of course, most of them skinned now, and the skins, ew, it's skin, ew. I'm quite sure you already know all of this bit, but chickpeas in the food processor, because we're going for a more luxurious one. We're going to have 3 tablespoons of tahini. So, you know, it's far from oil free because the tahini has plenty of oil in it. It's just that for these particular versions, I'm not going to add any more oil. As I said before, when we get to the end stages where I'm putting the aquafaba in, if you choose to put oil in then, extra virgin olive oil, that's your call. It's now doing me. A little bit of ground cumin, just a smirch of ground cumin. I'm going to use the cheats version of garlic with this garlic paste. I may as well finish it off. There's about 2 cloves worth there, I think. And of course, the juice of half a lemon. Show you my gouge. That didn't sound right, did it? So here's my gouge. pack it in. Just started raining. It's always nice. Scrape your sides down. Make sure we're getting all those chunky bits. Back again and a bit more aquafaba. So I'm just putting it in here at the top. Little bit by little bit. So, you know our ice cubes that we have in the morning, and if you don't know our ice cubes that we have in the morning, we have them in, I need to make some more actually. We have them in a cup of boiling water, and basically what they are is pulped up lemon, whole lemon including rind, pulped up lemon, black pepper, turmeric and water. And I'm going to put this in there now. It'll be a bit noisy. Okay, so that's done now. So I've taken this much out. Excuse the lighting. This is just a nice plain hummus. It does make a difference taking those skins off, it has to be said. And then to that's remaining in there, I thought what I would do is I will add randomly some Nando's Peri Peri salt, a little bit of smoked paprika, and just this much red pepper. That's all. Done. And there we go, 2 batches of hummus ready for the fridge. This is just your classic, lovely, you know, plain hummus as it were. In this one I added, as you saw, the knuckle of red pepper, some peri peri salt and some smoked paprika. This is exemplary. This is really good. Me and Jason just had a big spoonful each. Get them 2 in the fridge. They're ready for snacking with the Rivitas you see up there. And it just shows, you know, you put a little bit more effort into something, just 5 more minutes of your time, and it makes the world of difference. As I said, if you are eating oil and you're fine with like extra virgin olive oil, use that in place of the aquafaba. If you're trying to lose weight or watch your oil intake, use the aquafaba, which is the juice from the chickpeas, because it's fantastic stuff. 2 batches of homemade hummus. I'm really getting into this. I'm loving experimenting and trying new and different flavours. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Check our links down there in the description. I'll see you again very soon, and until then, please be excellent to yourselves and each other.